The AI race just took a jagged turn. Forget the hype about smarter chatbots. OpenAI and Anthropic are fighting over models. Meta is rebuilding the engine. Mark Zuckerberg is assembling a data fortress, and he's just greenlit a brand new applied AI engineering group, which should not be mistaken for another department, but in reality, won't be wrong to call it the furnace. This is Front Page by the AIM Network, ladies and gentlemen. Like, share, subscribe. And if you're ready, let's go. The Wall Street Journal announced that Meta is carving out a specialized strike team inside Reality Labs. The lead, Meher Sabah. He is a Reality Labs VP. The boss, he reports straight to Meta CTO, Andrew Bosworth. Their mission, build the data engine internally. It's actually the secret sauce. Externally, it's a declaration of war. Everyone thinks AI is about massive chips and clever math. Instead, it's actually about the loop, the feedback, the grind. Meta's new internal memo is crystal. Bigger compute isn't enough anymore. This team is building the interfaces, generating synthetic training data, and are running the evaluation. Then, they feed those insights back into the system. Think of it as a digital Ouroboros, a flywheel. The more you use it, the faster it learns. You aren't just a user anymore, you're actually the training manual. But here is the snag. This team has been tucked away by Meta inside Reality Labs, the metaverse division. The same division that bled over $19 billion in 2025. Critiques call it a money pit. Zuck calls it the future. You wonder why? Because AI is escaping the screen. It's actually moving to your face, smart glasses, AR wearables, always on companions. Your life is fast becoming the data set. Reality Labs provides the hardware to capture it. But of course, you can't just scrape the internet for free anymore. In walked in the lawyers. Meta just inked a massive deal with News Corp. We are, of course, talking about $50 million a year. 3 years minimum. Meta gets the archives, the fresh journalism, the high-quality editorial. Publishers have a new mantra: woo or sue. Either pay up for the training fuel or see you in court. Meta chose to pay. Meta plans to drop up to $135 billion in 2026. That is, of course, nation-state levels of spending. It's going into compute clusters. It's going into Meta Superintelligence Labs. That lab is run by Alexander Wang, the former Scale AI prodigy. The goal is total dominance. If you've not figured that out by now, rivaling OpenAI is the floor. Surpassing them is actually the ceiling. The war won't be won by whoever has the most GPUs. No, it's actually about three things: compute, data, feedback loops. Meta has the chips. Now, of course, they're buying the data. And Sabah's new team, they own the feedback loops. This is actually the post-training era. The real breakthroughs are happening in the refinement. And here, of course, is the front page take. The AI race started with flashy models. It ends with the best plumbing. The advantage goes to whoever builds the best data engine. Meta is betting that if they control the pipeline, the intelligence will follow. It's actually a high-stakes gamble with 135 billion reasons to succeed. Please do let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.